Preparing for a training session. Before your training session, set aside some time to inflate the mannequins and set up the items for your participants. 30 minutes should be enough time to set up for a group of 30 people. You can get the participants to inflate their own mannequins, but you'll need a bit more time within the lesson for them to do this. To inflate the mannequin, start by unfolding it and finding the inflation tube, which is located on the bottom of the mannequin. The inflation tube has two nozzles. You want to insert the shorter one into the longer tube and make sure it's firmly in place. There are two ways of inflating the mannequins. You can use the red inflation bag or the hand pump. If you're inflating the mannequins before the session by yourself, it's probably best to use the hand pump as this can be a little quicker. Assemble the hand pump by attaching the hose to the pump and inserting the nozzle into the end of the hose. Now attach the pump to the mannequin's inflation tube and pump air until the mannequin is fully inflated. Try not to overinflate the mannequin. If it feels quite firm, you may want to release a little bit of air from it. Too much air can prevent the clicker from clicking when performing chest compressions. You can also inflate the mannequin using the red inflation bag. Connect the bag firmly to the mannequin's inflation tube, then roll the bag down from the top to trap the air that will inflate your mannequin. When the mannequin is fully inflated, disconnect the inflation tube and insert the dust cap. There is also a section of the CPR training video called Preparing the Mannequin at 2 minutes and 32 seconds, which shows you how to inflate the mannequin, so you might want to watch this if you need more guidance. Once the mannequins are all inflated, position them around the room so there's enough space for each participant to kneel on the floor with a mannequin in front of them. Place a kneeling pad beside each mannequin as well as 2 cleaning wipes. One to clean the face of the mannequin before the session and one for after the session. You can ask your participants to clean the mannequins themselves, as this provides them with some reassurance that they've been cleaned. Before your participants arrive, also make sure that the CPR training video is queued up on a working monitor and the sound is working properly and loud enough for all participants to hear. You're now ready to begin your corpus rescue training session.